Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to unsubscribe in Vimeo. Let's start. So, in not most, but in some cases, if you could actually subscribe to a lot of content creators and videographers if you like their work. So this is pretty common in video platforms, and this is also where a lot of content creators can make money based on the number of subscribers that they have, based on the number of views. So you need to make sure that you need to make sure that you have uploaded good quality videos or those with good content so you could reach to your respective audiences that you would want them to appreciate your video. So say for example, if you wish to unsubscribe, if you don't want to receive any alerts or any notification that this content creator or this influencer is uploading a new vid, this is actually very easy. All you need to do is just to unsubscribe. So how are you going to do that? So say for example, if I have already subscribed to this creator right here, you could actually see, guys, that there's what you call as following and then unfollow. So just click on this one for you to unfollow, and that's pretty much your way of unsubscribing to this creator. So if you would actually go to some of the videos, and if you need to subscribe, if you click on that, all you need to do is just follow, and then if you wish to unsubscribe, just click again and just do unfollow. So that's it. Very simple, right? If you like this video, please hit on thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.